Today we have stopped at an Indian Punjabi Dhaba. Basically, it's near a truck stop. It's called Indian Food Hub. It's located on Route 66 on way to Albuquerque to Dallas. This restaurant is located on way to Dallas from Albuquerque. It's about 40 miles east of Albuquerque on the historic Route 66, and it's near a very big truck stop, and it's a Indian Punjabi Dhaba on way to Dallas. It's a very basic Indian dhaba, and it has a basic vegetarian menu. It has got mixed paratha, paneer paratha, curry, dal, basmati rice, biryani rice, chai, lassi, and it has also got a platter where you will get rice, couple of curries, lassi, and sweet dish. This place also has got some Indian snacks like samosas. You will also find some chips and lassi and all those kinds of bottled juices and lovely, lovely tea.
हाँ ठीक है ये एक दे दीजिए दाल चाहिए एक प्लेट दे दीजिए और दो पराठा बोला और एक करी का कर हाँ ये
We took a combo platter. It had got biryani rice, it had got curry, it has got three pieces of ghee roasted roti, lassi, and dal makhani to go with it. Taste was pretty simple, but it was very nice. We also tasted couple of paneer parathas. The paratha has real nice paneer stuffing inside it. It came also with bundi raita and some pickles and some onions on the side. The best part is these parathas come with butter, it comes with a very tasty green chutney, it comes with a lovely pickle, it also comes with a plate full of bundi paratha and some onions. Just you will get a dhaba like experience eating these parathas in this roadside cafe. Overall, it was a very nice little experience at this Indian Dhaba. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.